Hello, I'm here to chat about how to care for your wool item, leaving them feeling soft and last you a long time. First thing first, all wool is washable, but it needs to be treated with a bit more care. Only wash your wool if it's really necessary. Wool loves fresh air and a gentle breeze, so hang it outside on a dry day, but keep it away from the harsh sunlight. If you are using a washing machine, wash it on its own and remember to always use a wool-friendly detergent. Pick the delicate settings with a low spin cycle and never go above 30 degrees. For the smaller wool items, fill your bath or a large sink with lukewarm water and add a little bit of gentle wool detergent. Let your item soak for about an hour, then gently wipe any dirty spots. After washing, drain and rinse with clear water until all the soap's gone. After washing, gently squeeze out the water. No wringing. Don't tumble dry. It's a big no for wool. Lay it flat on a cotton towel and smooth out any wrinkles. If it's a big piece, you might need to fold it. Keep it on an absorbent surface and swap out the towels until it's dry. If you would like to, you can use a gentle steam iron on a low settings. Just don't press too hard to maintain the fluffy softness. By following these simple tips, your wool item will stay snugly and fresh for years to come.